Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about fork and pull request on GitHub. So let's get started by creating a new repository. I'm going to name this as fork and pull request. Okay, and description is, let's keep that optional, and it will be a public repository because we need to view this on another account. Okay, now let's create it. Now in this, what I will do, just creating a new file. Let's say the file name will be book1. So I'm going to say book1 contains all information about making money. Okay, so this will be the first file available in my repository, and let's create another one. Book2 contains all about human health. Now this is our repository. Now I'm going to view this on another account. Okay, I just opened that using my another account. So let's go into the topic. Here you can see a button called fork. So what happened is, fork will create a copy of target repository on your account. Now this is available in another account. When you go to fork, it will able to create a copy of that repository in your account. Now you can provide a repository name because this is going to create on your account. You can say something like copy or something or whatever, and copy the main branch only, because currently we don't have any other branches available on that repository here. Let's create it. Now when you create the fork, the owner of the repository will able to see you just forked it. Here I'm going to refresh the page, and instantly you can see here there is a one fork. Okay, now let's go back to the account that we created the fork. We can go ahead and change the book1, and let's go to edit this file, and we can change this to making online money, and I'm going to commit the changes, and we can add some commit message or update book1 context to say about online money. Okay, now what I will do, just go back to the fork repository, and here we just updated it, then, and we can go to pull request, and now we will able to create a new pull request. So with pull request, it helps you to send your changes to the original repository owner, and he can approve or request changes or reject it. Now let's create it. So this shows what are the changes you have made on your files. Here the book1 has changed. Now we will able to create the pull request, and we can also add a title and a description mentioning what you have done. So I can say I updated book1 to say about online money. Making online money is great. So I change it book 1 to discuss about it, and let's create the pull request. Now it is currently open. If we go to pull request again, here it's opened by this user, which is our current account. Now we can go to the original account that owns the repository, and we can refresh. Here if we go to pull requests, it is visible now. Here the message is showing I updated book 1 to say about online money, and also there's the description. Now what happened is we will able to merge pull request, or here we will able to review what this person has done with your code. Go to commits and see the changes. These are code changes. This line has changed, the first line, to this one, to the green color one, and also see what files have changed. Only the book 1. And let's go to the conversation. Here we will able to add a comment to this pull request, or if we go to file change, and we will able to approve this, or request changes, or just add a comment, because we are not going to approve that. For example, let's go ahead and disline that I am not interested in discuss only about online money. Okay, so let's submit the review. Okay, now let's go to the pull request. Now we can see that also we will able to close pull request. That means that is not active anymore. We can go to this account that we created the fork, and under pull request we will not able to see it because it is closed. If we go to closed, you can see that's available there. Also here in the original account we will see that under closed section. Okay, now we can go ahead and create a new pull request. I'm not going to create the pull request without changing the book 1. I'm going to say about also, not about making money, making also. Okay, about online money making also. Then we can commit the change 1. Okay, now we can create the pull request and add the title update book 1 to mention about making online money also. This will help to discuss about making online money also. Okay, now we will able to create the pull request. Now if we go to pull request on the original account, here it is visible now, and we can go ahead and review what that person has done on commits. Here the green line has added by removing this line in the red color. Also if we go to file, that has changed. We will able to see and review changes. Now if we going to approve that, we can add the message also. What a great idea, and I'm going to submit the review. Okay, now here there's an option called merge pull request that helps you to merge those files to your repository. So your files will be changed using these changes that person has done. So let's go ahead and merge pull request. So we can add a confirm message book 1 to mention about making online money also. Okay, I'm going to merge it. Now in the original account, if we go to code in the book 1, we will able to see this is serving online making money also message. Okay, now if we go to insights on the account, here go to network, we will see this is the main branch that I have worked on, and also in the green color you will see this user has created a fork and he's worked on the main branch and created the pull request on the original account that is in the black color. Here in the blue color the pull request is created. Okay, also he will able to continue his changes on this fork repository. That's why we can see that in the green color. Alright, I hope you got a clear understanding of fork and pull request. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.